Welcome back. The High Court has reserved its order on the bail plea of former Director of Mines Arvind Lolienkar. Prosecution has alleged that Arvind Lolienkar had information about Frost International's manipulations, but he did not file an FIR, instead turned a blind eye. Prosecution fears that accused might influence the witnesses and tamper with evidences. The High Court will pronounce its order on 30th April.
During the hearing before the High Court, prosecution contended that Arvind Lolienkar, the then Director of Mines, allowed trading company Frost International to export iron ore without having proper license and valid documents. Prosecution also contended that Captain of Ports had informed Arvind Lolienkar about Frost International's manipulations. Captain of Ports had informed Lolienkar that Frost had produced fake NOC to export iron ore, yet Arvind Lolienkar turned blind eye and issued trading license to the company. SIT in its investigation has found that Frost International exported 135,000 metric tons of iron ore to China using forged documents, which has caused a loss to state exchequer by 1 crore 17 lakh rupees. Counsel of Arvind Lolienkar stated before the court that SIT has neither found any direct evidence proving his guilt nor any money has been recovered from his possession. After hearing both the sides, High Court reserved its order on the bail plea of Arvind Lolienkar. The order will be pronounced on 30th April. Arvind Lolienkar was arrested on 20th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Supreme Court has referred Rajiv Gandhi assassination case to the Constitution Bench on Friday. The Constitutional Bench will now decide whether the centre or the Tamil Nadu government had the authority to release the 7 convicts in the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case after remission of their jail terms.
A 3-judge bench led by Chief Justice P. Sadashivam on Friday said that the issue as to which was the appropriate government in law and as to whether power of remission can be exercised at all should be decided by a larger bench. A constitution bench comprises at least 5 judges. The court framed 7 questions of law in the matter and directed the case to be listed before a constitution bench within 3 months. It has asked the Tamil Nadu government to maintain a status quo with respect to releasing the convicts as per the state's resolution of February. The centre had moved a substantial writ petition challenging the Tamil Nadu government's resolution to set all 7 convicts free. The Supreme Court had earlier commuted the death sentence to the life term for 3 convicts, Murugan, Santan and Perari Valan, after noting that there was incomprehensible delay in deciding their mercy petition by the President. The centre also said that Tamil Nadu government's decision was in derogation of rights of the victims who lost their kin in the blast that claimed as many as 18 innocent lives. However, the Tamil Nadu government claimed it had all the authority under the law to remit the jail terms of the convicts. Bureau Report, Prudent.
National Green Tribunal has asked Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to take immediate action and stop the constructions coming up at Vagator beachfront. A big blow to the hospitality company interested in setting up a tourism entertainment hub over 53,000 square meters at stretch at the beach. Tribunal has directed to conduct an inquiry and submit final report within 3 weeks. NGT has also warned that if the order is not followed properly, then Member Secretary of GCZ-MA may face legal action.
Goa Tourism Development Corporation had signed an agreement with Gurgaon-based company and had given the plot to develop entertainment hub at Vagator Beach. Vagator villagers have opposed the project, alleging that Gurgaon-based company will privatize the beach.
कित्याक ही जी जमीन जी आहा ती आमच्या लोकल भाव भयणांची एक्वायर केल्ली टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट फॉर बेनिफिट ऑफ द टुरिस्ट म्हणून 40 वर्सां पयलीं आनी ही जी टुरिझमान जी एक्वायर केल्ली जमीन कोडयाच्या भावान ती काडल्यान GGTCक दिली डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक GGTCन थर्ड पार्टीक दिल्या डेव्हलप करपाक दिल्ली बेस्ड कंपन्यांक दिल्या डेव्हलप करपाक 52,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर आतां आमी ताका ओपोज कित्याक करता हो जो बेल्ट आहा टोटल हो आतां नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन आनी CRZ नोटिफिकेशन 2011 प्रमाणे हांगा कसलेच परमनंट स्ट्रक्चर येवंक पावना.
According to me, I have a fear that this acquisition of land which has taken place all over the coastal belt, the same problems will be there. In the same way, the lands will be given to outsiders, like it was done in Kandoli. It was already, they have built it right on the beach, all these projects.
Uttar Bijar right on the beach CRZ चे सगळे वायलेशन करून हांगा रोड बांधलेलो आसा आनी थंय एक डिस्को बांदपाचो आसा खंय आनी ते फिशरमॅनाक हांगा वयपाक वाट आसली ती टोटली बंद करून उडयले हेंच्यांनी आनी थंय ऑन फ्रंट ऑफ द रोड तेच्यांनी गेट घातला आमी गांवच्या लोकांनी गांवचे लोक कितें ना कितें रिएक्शन घेवन हे प्रोजेक्टाचेर कितें ना कितें एक्शन घेवन बंद उडोवपाचें आमी चडांत चड ट्राय करतले.
Some of the villagers approached National Green Tribunal alleging that the construction at Vagatur beach is illegal and it was violating CRZ norms. As per the order, the GCZMA has been asked to take immediate action and to remove the constructions without any delay unless a satisfactory and legitimate explanation is submitted by the concerned person. The NGT has directed GCZMA to conduct an inquiry and the final outcome should be communicated to the agency within 3 weeks. If not, NGT may move for an appropriate penal action against the member secretary of the GCZMA. Reporter Mahesh Gadi and Chandrasekhar Sawant for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.